You guys, for this new front mount here, the angled one, you know I'm not a fan of angling towards the front. Somebody wanted me to make it with this design, with a GoPro and an angled front 360. I am going to offer this to you guys, the ones that are riding lakes, rivers, and so on. It's held up out here in normal Gulf riding with a little issue, and I'll show you that. But the thing that I don't knock the lake and river guys, but when I say it's holding up out here, you know it'll hold up on your guys' smooth water. So let me show you the issue that I have seen with it doing this. Now, just the rocking back and forth that it does, because it's angled, it has, if you see there, it has loosened this bolt up right there. And these were tight when I left. So, you know, this is precisely why these bolts were very tight when I left, and that one is really loose, and it's causing some really vibrational video. So this is also precisely why you don't want a metal mount with more weight, and this is also why you don't want to run that stick extended up. So I'm going to have two versions of this. I'm going to have it angled like this. You guys can choose that. It is going to come with my match selfie stick, but I'm thinking that it's going to come with a smaller version of the stick that I make. It's a 6-inch stick. I think that's more than enough, and you're not going to have that much weight that way. And I'm going to make one that's going to be vertical. So I think that one's going to do a lot better. I've already got that one in the works. Once that's available, you'll see a water test on that one as well as this. But look for this coming soon on the website, NRGcreativ.com, and see you guys out on the water.